Windows Media Player error or problem is a very common issue on Windows 11 and 10, but don't worry, I am going to show you step by step how to fix that. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. First of all, you have to open Settings, go to Windows Start menu, and search for Settings, and click on this icon. Here you will see another search option. Click on it, and search for Optional Features, and click on the Optional Features here. Here you can see View and Edit Optional Features. Just click on View Features. Windows will ask permission from you. Just confirm by clicking Yes. After coming to this page, scroll down, and you can see Windows Media Player here. Just check the box here, and click on Remove. Wait until it remove completely. After that, click on See Available Features. Scroll down again, and find Windows Media Player here. Check the box, and click on Add. Wait a little bit, and it will say Added. And your problem is solved.